preparing for life, and life, as you understand, is so much full of variety that you have to do far more than reading and remembering and reproducing and creating through your pen, but, doing various other activities on the campus. And, dramas, plays, they are, very good, say, sophisticated aspects of intellectual effort on the campus. And I would urge upon Department of English, Department of Sindhi, Department of Urdu, and Department of Fine Arts. These are the ones which I consider absolutely relevant to these activities, to be more active than what they have been. I have never been wanting in extending all type of support from the university, from myself, encouraging them with whatever little vocabulary I have to bring them, to make them to actualize your potential, but they yet to do much more. And I'm sure today's evening would give you a lot of encouragement to do these things more often and with far more artistic finesse. I'm sure you have the ability to do it, but you will have to work hard, you will have to put in a lot of efforts and do a lot of rehearsal and practice. Our boys and girls, some of them, of course, they were wonderful when they came before me in interview. Their, pronunciation and their communication of the ideas during interviews was wonderful, and it gave me so much of hope that our university could rise to summits of excellence. But yet I find some of us still have to do more as far as their oral delivery is concerned. The text that, the thought that they were transmitting orally was excellent, without any mistakes. But as far as their pronunciation was concerned, it needed more improvement. They would certainly need to work harder on it and polish themselves as immaculate scholars of English in scholarly English idiom and scholarly oral expression which would be really an English-like expression. But they would do it, I'm pretty sure about it. Today's acting, it was very difficult for me to choose of the four who was good. I might say I would be inclined to be on the side of the young man because he held the floor for a longer time. But really, a natural acting display was done better by the typist. She was doing it naturally according to role, and she really appeared to be what the role wanted her to appear like, and she succeeded very well in it. She had really transformed herself into a worried typist. There is no doubt about it. But then, of course, I said, the man who held the floor for a longer time was the young man who also perhaps created a favorable, impression on my mind because he was good looking. But all said and done, it was a wonderful effort. And the most, gladdening aspect of today's evening was my teacher, Amina Khamisani. When you spoke here, I was reminded of our old days in the old campus when you were a young woman. Yes, everyone has been young, when all the world is young lad and when all the grass is green. Then every swan, every goose a swan lad and every lass a queen. But Madam Khamisani was a good teacher and we loved her and we teased her also because I was a little mischievous student. She may not remember, but we used to, she may not have noticed, but we used to ask her difficult questions on Decameron and, all these types of bouquet shows, we used to do that. But I was so very happy to see you this evening. Allah give you long life and robust mind as you have continued to bear. And I would love that when our new Institute of English Language and Literature is built, you come and perform the opening ceremony. Young boys and girls, you are very hardworking, but you still need to work harder still, so that you don't outshine only the students of Sindhu University, the other students, but you outshine all other students of all the universities because you belong to my department. Thank you for inviting your Vice Chancellor, who has all the students very dear and promises to do better than is best for them. Thank you.
Request our Wadi Vice Chancellor, Mr. Mazhar Haq Siddiqui, to kindly give adjunct to Ma'am Amina Khamisani. Sir. We will now request Dean Faculty of Arts, Dr. Qazi Khadim Hussain, to please